Welcome to the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Traverse Premier. The Premier Traverse is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Traverse Redline Premier. Power windows, locks and mirrors, automatic headlights as well with your fog lights. You have your adjustable trunk release, memory seating, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and forward collision warning. Push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen. We do have navigation as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and climate control. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating up front in the Premier. Wireless charging with USB ports, automatic shifter knob, your 4x4 dial, so you can alternate between front wheel drive and all wheel drive. Lane keep assist equipped on the vehicle as well. All black interior with Bose audio, rubberized OEM Chevrolet floor liners, and our leather heated and ventilated seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Continental all-season tires. This is the Redline edition, so you do get those black 20-inch wheels with the red hash. We have the blacked out door handles with keyless entry, two-tone Traverse badging, the red and black, obviously for your Redline edition vehicle. Coming to the front, we have fog lights, black chrome, black bow tie, as well as LED daytime running lamps. Making our way to the back here, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped, and at the rear of the Redline, you have the clear tail lights with LED brake lights, black chrome again, 360-degree camera system, dual chrome exhaust tips, backup sensors, and a trailer tow package. Jumping into the interior here, second row captain's chairs, both leather heated and car seat ready as well. We have the quick fold down feature, seats fold down and get out of the way, giving you access to your third row, which is a leather 60/40 split as well. Obviously fold down, giving you enormous trunk space with the rubberized backing protecting those seats. USB ports even all the way in the back there. Over top we do have dual panel sunroofs with LED lighting and AC vents. And then we have our rear climate control with 3-stage heated seat controls, as well as an AC outlet and USB ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Traverse Redline Edition. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.